என்னோட பேர் சுதர்ஷன். என்னோட அம்மா வந்து பேர் எஸ் புஷ்பா, 87 years old. நவம்பர் 6th வந்து அவங்களுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரோக் வந்தது. ரைட் சைட் வாஸ் கம்ப்ளீட்லி இம்பாக்டட். The best decision we made based on Dr. Balamurali's recommendation and Dr. Venkatraman's recommendation is to bring her to Hamsa Rehab. I have to say this is the best place for rehab, Hamsa. My mother did not have any sensation in the right side. Completely her right side was impacted from leg to arms to her speech, her complete cognitive functions. And Hamsa has done an exceptional job. The staff here are exceptional. The care that they have provided, they have taken a holistic approach from a physical therapy, occupational therapy, cognitive impairment therapy, psychology therapy. So, ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Because of this, my mother is able to eat with her hands. She is able to speak. She has got most of her memory back. She speaks fluently and she is able to walk with the walker. I think all this was possible because of Hamsa and their approach and the way the staff has taken care and provided the support for us through this last 5 months. I would recommend for any stroke patients to come to Hamsa. This is the best place. I have never seen any place in India like this where they are providing this service with such a care. So the best place, I'm very thankful to Hamsa and all the associates who are working here and the doctor who have provided this excellent service. Because of that, I'm taking my Amma back home. She's going to be back home. At least she will have a decent life where she can walk and talk and eat. And at Hamsa, the nursing care also has been exceptional in terms of how they care for my mother and in terms of giving the medications, ensuring that she is feeling safe, making sure that all her vitals are good and informing the doctors. So it's a overall exceptional service, nursing service, physical therapy service, and the entire staff and the doctor. So thank you, Hamsa. You guys have done a wonderful job.